Yo, welcome guys back to the trade breakdown video today. We have two trades this week, and boy, let me tell you, these trades were crazy. So, I sent two trades this week to the VIP group, and both of them were in profit. The one was huge, and the other one was an NFP signal, which we're obviously going to get into, but both of them hit profit, and it was such a good week for the VIPs. It was just crazy, bro. Like, we killed NFP, we killed the whole week before that. It was crazy. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So if you guys have watched last week's weekly breakdown video, I said that I'm thinking of selling this week. I see it selling. Well, when I say this week, I mean the week that just passed. I knew Us30 was gonna sell. I thought it was probably gonna buy a little bit before it sold, but it just immediately sold on Monday, so it was pretty crazy. And yeah, we caught some good trades. This is where it was chilling around about Monday, so I didn't take a trade on Monday till about Thursday was the first trade. So it was chilling up here Monday. I think Monday was a slow day because Tuesday was the bank holiday because of 4th of July. So yeah, I wasn't doing much. It was just chilling. Um, and it came to this big order block that we had marked out the week before last already. We've been waiting for the market to reach this area and then sell down from there. So it eventually has reached that area, and now we can sell down from there. And the trades last week were just so simple. Um, for instance, as you guys can see, this trade that we're gonna focus on over here, this is 4,000 pips. So we could have caught what 6,000 pips on this trade, so it was yeah about 5,500 pips. So this was such a beautiful sell trade and so easy to get in on this trade as well because it was just a simple retest. Look at this block, just simple retest on that block, came back down, retested this block, and we were in, bro. So it's just basic support and resistance. I didn't have anything else. I didn't have a fib. I didn't have anything else. It was just support and resistance. I knew it was high. My weekly bias was short, so I knew we were going down. Um, and I just waited for that break, waited for the retest, got in on the retest, and just rode it all the way down. And I looked to the left to see where my target could be, and I saw that there was like a support zone there. Sorry, support or resistance zone there. So I just put the target till there, and it just cruised all the way. And yeah, it was a pretty nice trade, pretty clean. But yeah, the signal was sent, money was made. Very good trade. The VIPs loved that one. Um, so yeah, that was a good one. On to the next one though. This was the NFP trade we had on Friday. Let's go down to the 5 minute maybe. So this also pretty much straightforward. As you guys can see, this was Friday. So I traded Thursday. I saw where the market came. It came below this support and resistance block, and it was just chilling there for the day. So I thought, okay, NFP, I think we're gonna come back. So basically come back to entry. Once it comes back to entry, we can snatch one. So we were around about here before we got into the trade, and NFP was just loading. It was just loading, taking its time, you know, doing what it normally does. But it wasn't the cleanest trade ever. But the thing is, it was clean entry, and just a couple of minutes later, we were straight at take profit. 3:30, we were already out of this trade. We were in this trade. Okay, so this trade was about 50 minutes, and we got in on this resistance block over here, and yeah, just wrote it down all the way. My target was 1,000 pips for this trade because I didn't know how far it was still gonna go down, and I knew it was NFP, so I didn't want to, overestimate the move and then miss out on it, or let it retrace back on me. So I went for 1,500 pips, and we caught 1,500 pips on the dot, so it was pretty nice. If we had a 2,000 TP, this probably would have gone against us, but following our rules, we still would have at least taken break even from the trade, if not profited. So I mean, pretty straightforward, simple week. It was just support and resistance, waiting for it to retest. It was support and resistance block and just entering. It was really that simple. And I feel like US30 is one of those pairs where you don't have to oversimplify it. It's just easy and you can pick up the moves just like that. And that's just what I've been doing every single week. I focus on these two good setups every single week so we can catch the maximum amount of pips. So I mean, this week that just passed, we caught about 5,500 pips, which is pretty crazy. So I know the one trade was 4,000 pips, and this trade was 1,500. So I mean, it was a pretty crazy week, and yeah, easy trades. And I mean, the group loved it. We made some money together. I know a lot of people straight after the sell went for the NFP buy. So I mean, it was pretty crazy. The group was going wild. Everybody was trading, and yeah, that's all I can say about that. Um, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that trade breakdown video. I know it was kind of a short, simple one today, but sometimes there isn't just much to the trade, you know, like sometimes you take a trade and there just wasn't a lot of things you used. I mean, most of the time I don't use a lot of things like fibs and whatever. Sometimes I will, don't get me wrong, but most of the time, I'm just using clean setup, support and resistance, just looking for the highest probable setup. And that's just what we've been doing. So, I mean, we look for the highest probable setup and look what happens. So, I mean, that's just the focus we have for that VIP group. So, if you guys want to catch trade like this, want to catch a trade like this, sorry, definitely get involved. Contact me. We'll get you into the VIP groups and stuff like that because it's been going crazy lately and it's just going to get crazier. We've got some sick opportunities coming, man. So thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.